We got a quiet moment here, so I'm showing you what are these called? Braciolas?
Yes.
Braciolas. Here we have some of the
What?
cooked versions. I'm talking to the camera. And these are the ones in the process of being cooked. What are they stuffed with?
Grated cheese, mozzarella, salt, pepper.
What type of ball pepper? Ball pepper?
Salt and pepper.
Oh, salt and pepper and grated cheese. Thank you very
Mozzarella.
much. And mozzarella, my favorite cheese. And they're grown rather nice in the frying pan, getting ready for the holiday season. Well, there's the ones that are already cooked already. And these a minute or two of them soaking in the frying pan. And nothing needs to take care of. As you can see, everything looks cool with the braciolas. They brown out. I've yet to eat one. I'm more into the pasta type, but there you go. Already cooked, ready for Christmas Eve. I do this up 5:11.